I want to share you some numbers with you, and this is very important for you to have an idea how what is the market is doing. Right now, here in Texas, in Conroe and Montgomery, the home sales went down by 18.5% in April 2025. In the same order, 5 out of 8 zip codes reported fewer sales, reflecting a regional cooling in the market activity. We have been seeing this on the reports that I give you like every Tuesday. The home price fell in half for the zip code like 77318. They were reduced by 9.15%. So the prices are going down, which is good, as I said. And most April sales were 50% were for house price between 250 to $500,000. So what is this? What this means is that the market is getting slower. It's getting slower, but the sellers are adjusting their prices. So this is going to eventually bring a better deal for you.